Okay, so we are here and I wanted to introduce you to a few friends of mine. I love my oils. They are like friends because they are interested in what's happening in your life in a way. They want to help you heal. They want to make your life, you to live a splendiferous, wonderful, fragrant and healed life. So I've got a selection of oils here, and we'll go through all the oils that we'll use eventually in all our workshops. But I've got a selection of oils here, and I thought I'd just look at them and tell you about them as we go along. Let me move my teacup out of the way. So the first one here, it's a big bottle. That's 22 mils of sandalwood. I love sandalwood. I like the woody oils because they are base notes, they are comforting, they are healing. They've got great ability to bring your blends and your products to a next level. Sandalwood specifically you use on damaged skin. You use against too much oil. What's lovely is I like to make a beard oil with sandalwood because often men who have long beards and things, they actually get acne. They actually have, because at the base of every hair there is an oil gland called a sebaceous gland, and they actually get acne underneath their hair. But while I'm clearing up the acne, we're also doing a lovely oil that brings the beard hair, because beard hair is quite coarse and quite harsh. So when you put an oil on it, you're smoothing it out, you're softening it out, and it smells nice.